One of the biggest differences between a flat photo bash and a cinematic environment is how the lighting interacts with every element in the scene. Today, I'll explore photo bash lighting techniques. Open Photoshop and start with a new canvas around 3600 by 2000 pixels so you have enough room to experiment with different lighting zones. Fill the background with a neutral gray tone because it allows highlights and shadows to appear clearly while you work. Import a landscape or city image and position it as your base layer using Free Transform. Now add a second element, such as buildings, rocks, or trees, and place it somewhere in the scene. Before adjusting anything else, decide where the main light source will come from. Create